If you want a security system without the help of internet, then this is the project you're looking for. Hi everyone, this is Momin here from Mount Dynamics, and in this video we shall have a tutorial on GSM based security system. Now we shall have a look at the working of this project. If I place my hand above the sensor detects and the call will be sent by GSM module in few seconds. As you can see, the warning call has been made by GSM module. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and click on the bell icon to get new video updates. So let's get started with the project now. In this project we need GSM SIM 800A module, Arduino Nano board, IR sensor, breadboard, 2G or 3G SIM, few jumper wires, 12 volt 2 amp power adapter. I'll place the SIM card in the SIM adapter and insert it in the SIM slot of GSM module. So before connecting the wires, we will attach the Arduino Nano board and IR sensor to the breadboard. We will do the connections now. The signal pin of IR sensor will be connected to A1, that is analog pin number 1. The ground will be connected to the ground of Arduino Nano. And VCC will be connected to 3.3 volts of Arduino Nano board. You can see the connections have been done between IR sensor and Arduino Nano board. And now we shall connect GSM module to the Arduino Nano. So here you can see TX and RX pin. The TX pin will be connected to RX pin of Arduino Nano, and RX pin will be connected to TX pin of Arduino Nano. So we'll do the connections now. TX pin to RX, and RX pin to TX. You can see clearly the connections between TX and RX have been done. And now we have to connect ground of GSM 800A module to Arduino Nano board. We'll do the connections. We'll connect the ground of GSM SIM 800A module to ground of Arduino Nano. The connections have been completed. So now we shall power up the GSM module and check whether the GSM module is working fine or not. We'll power up the GSM module now. As soon as you switch it on, you can hear a beep, and if you notice the top left light is blinking fast, that's because it has not got the network still. Once it stops blinking too fast, that means it has got the network. It will blink slowly. Now I shall call to that SIM number. You can hear the beep. Yes, the GSM module is working fine. Okay, so now we shall upload the sketch. For that we'll connect Arduino Nano board to the laptop. Before uploading the sketch, make sure you remove the TX and RX pin connections. Now we shall select the board. Okay, the board has been selected, and we'll upload the code now. Okay, the sketch has been uploaded. We will connect back the wires now. Okay, now we shall check whether the project is working or not. I'll place my hand over the IR sensor and we can expect the call within few seconds. Yep, I got a call. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have liked this tutorial, make sure you subscribe for more such videos.